Now, most investment properties need a lot of work and attention. However, 3 years into the property, all the units are rented out. They're bringing in a significant amount of money, right? So over $10,000 a month. And then what you can do is, once that note is paid off in 20 to 25 to 30 years or less, we get all that money back plus the down payment. You can borrow against the equity. You can sell it. You can turn it into condos. And you can have that property be the vehicle that, let's say we bought it for $1 million. Let's say in 25 years it's worth $2 million or $3 million. Well, now you're getting $3 million back, right? So that is why you invest for the long term, so you can do things to secure like an extra cushion inside your retirement bag. If you're ready to get started, you have some money put away, just remember, not every investment is a good investment, but if you take your time and run your numbers, you should be able to get yourself into a comfortable situation, work the property, and build up over time.